Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to walk you through on how to make this medium-sized scrunchie. Just look at this lovely blue aqua color. Without further ado, let's get into it. Here's a list of materials needed. You will also need a sewing machine with matching thread. If you don't have a sewing machine, this is obtainable by hand sewing as well. Start off by folding the fabric in half with right sides together. Sew the short sides together. We're going to be using the burrito method. This by far is the easiest way to make scrunchies. It can look a bit tricky, but it's super easy. Finger press the seams out, and then flip the material over to the other side. Fold the top layer together and keep it in the center. Then grab the bottom layer and align the press seams together. Use the little clips, or should I say fishies, like my 3-year-old son likes to call them. Use the clips to hold the bottom layer together. And as you can see, this looks like a burrito. Sew along the top. Ensure that the top layers of the fabric are being sewn together, and make sure you hold on to the inner fabric. You don't want the inner fabric and the top layers to get sewn together. As you get near the end, pull the fabric inside towards you. Then line the outer fabrics together and continue to sew. Leave about a 1-inch opening once you reach the starting point. Pull the right sides of the fabric out from the 1-inch opening. Now connect the safety pin to the elastic. I use the loop turner as an anchor to hold the bottom part of the elastic. You can also secure the bottom part of the elastic with another safety pin. Push the safety pin through and connect the elastics together. I unhook the safety pin from the elastic along with the loop turner and tie a knot. Now sew the opening closed. Now that the opening has been sewn closed, take a scissor and cut the remaining thread. Stretch out the scrunchie to evenly distribute the fabric. And there you have it, a perfectly made scrunchie. The diameter is about 5 by 5 inches. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give me a like and share this video. Make sure to comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Catch you in my next video. Bye!